There are nearly 2,000 hours worth of interactive learning resources for your students on Moodle. To access them, log into Moodle, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and select the Blended Learning Consortium icon. The resources are divided into subject areas and then further divided into specific subjects and levels. The first time you access a set of resources, you will be required to enrol. Your students can simply click Enrol Me with no password required. And there is a separate enrolment button for staff to enable them to gather statistics on their students' progress. This requires an enrolment key available from the Learning Technology team. Each icon represents an individual resource that could be used as part of your teaching. Right-click one of the resources and select Copy Link Address to add it directly to a Google Classroom or any other teaching tools you may use. If you require any additional support in using these blended learning resources, contact the ILT team on learningtechnology@gllm.ac.uk.